Dana Gas has been a critical energy and infrastructure play in the region for more than 20 years. With critical change at the top and in the market, let's hear the story from Richard Hall, the Chief Executive Director of Dana Gas, on the latest episode of the CEO series.
Looking at the bottom, we really wanted to drive our cash return to shareholders. That's very important to us. We want to pay a sustainable dividend. Cash is healthy. Our debt consolidated is very healthy. This is all about Kurdistan, which is really the jewel in our crown. We operate this field alongside our very close partner, Crescent Petroleum, with whom we work extremely well. You've seen the live feed there. That is a pretty complex project. And why is it so big? It's so big because we have now expandability. We have two world-class fields in Kurdistan. One is called Khor, another one is called Shemshamal. And our next focus will be Shemshamal to start to produce from there. Now, post KM250, you see there a very significant increase in our production and our cash flow. So all the gas, all the condensate, all the LPG that comes from KM250 is to our account or our partners. We currently supply gas for 85% of the Kurdistan people's electricity needs. This now with KM250 will be more than 100%. That builds in Egypt on the consolidation agreement, which we signed earlier in the year, which improved our fiscal terms with them. So this makes it a much more attractive asset than it was, say, a year ago. In terms of the dividend policy that we have, we delivered $105 million to our shareholders this year. We will at least do that next year, and our aim, our avowed aim, is to have a sustainable dividend going forward. So I believe that our story will become increasingly solid, both in terms of the generation of the cash, but in terms of the collection of the cash. We provide, right now, the gas for the electricity of 85% of the people of Kurdistan. If our plant goes down, lights go off, LPG stops, people can't cook. So it's very strategically important. We're drilling 11 new wells. We're on well number 3. Results so far good. So this is why this is such an impressive plant. This is where your money went if you were a shareholder, because this is our expandability for the future and our growth story for the future.
Dana Gas is further expanding into Kurdistan with KM250 in Shemshamal and also upgrading its capacity in Egypt. With one of the top dividend yields in the region, the stock is definitely on our watch list. Thank you, Richard Hall, Chief Executive Officer, for being with us today on the CEO series.